Long ago, in the heart of a vast jungle, there lived a proud lion, the king of beasts. He roamed the forest with strength and courage, respected and feared by all animals. Near a sparkling water spring lived a mighty wild boar, powerful and stubborn, known for his strength and sharp tusks. The lion and the boar both shared one thing in common, their pride, and one fateful day, that pride nearly destroyed them both. It was the peak of summer. The scorching sun blazed across the forest, and water became scarce. All animals searched desperately for a drink, and the spring near the mountain became the only source of water left. The lion, thirsty after a long hunt, approached the spring. Just as he lowered his head to drink, the boar stormed out of the bushes. "This water is mine," the boar grunted. "I reached here first." The lion raised his head, his golden mane glowing in the sunlight. "No, boar," he roared. "I am the king of the jungle. This water belongs to me." Their eyes locked. Anger sparked. Both refused to step back. The forest trembled as the lion leapt forward with a thunderous roar. The boar charged with his sharp tusks. Dust rose in the air as they clashed with power and fury. The lion's claws slashed. The boar's tusks struck. Neither was ready to give up. Their growls and roars echoed across the forest. Other animals watched from a distance, terrified, but unable to intervene. Hours seemed to pass, and both creatures grew weaker. Blood trickled, and their breaths grew heavy, yet their pride kept them fighting. As the lion lunged again, the boar stepped back to dodge. For the first time, their eyes lifted from each other, and what they saw froze their hearts. Circling above them, a flock of hungry vultures waited, watching eagerly. From the nearby bushes, a pack of wolves and wild dogs lurked, waiting for the battle to end so they could devour the loser, and perhaps even the winner. Both the lion and the boar paused, panting heavily. The lion growled, "If we continue to fight, we will both die. The vultures and wolves are waiting for that moment." The boar grunted, lowering his tusks. "Yes, our pride has blinded us. Instead of fighting each other, we must protect ourselves." The wisdom of unity. The two enemies, realizing the truth, turned their backs against each other. Together, they roared and charged at the circling beasts. The vultures flapped away. The wolves, startled by the combined strength of two mighty rivals, fled into the shadows. The jungle fell silent again. Exhausted, the lion and the boar returned to the waterhole. This time they drank side by side, not as enemies, but as survivors who had learned a powerful lesson. The sun dipped low, painting the sky golden. The lion and the boar, once enemies, walked away in peace. Moral: fighting over pride only weakens us. True wisdom lies in knowing when to set aside conflict for the greater good. Unity, even among rivals, is the key to survival.